Picture this, your roof develops a leak, but it's not quite time for replacement yet. What should you do next? Call a trusted roofer to complete a roof repair. I want to discuss the key parts of a proper roof repair that our customers should be aware of. First, we want to talk about repairability. How old is the roof at hand? If this roof is 25 years old, it's going to be much harder to repair this roof without creating damage to the surrounding areas. A second component I want to talk about is compatible materials. If you have a shingle like Owens Corning Duration on your roof, then we want to make sure Owens Corning Duration is going back on your roof. We want to make sure that you have one compatible roofing system up there. The third component is going to be color matching. It's very hard to match colors perfectly while doing a repair. Even if we get the same exact shingle that's up there, the shingle that's up there has been dealing with sun fading and weather conditions for 5, 10, or 15 years, so those colors are never going to match perfectly. Roof repairs are a good option for someone who's trying to stay budget friendly, but also maintain the integrity of their roofing system. Roof repairs are not a good option for homeowners whose roof is at the end of its life expectancy. The reason for that being is that you could repair this portion of the roof today, and then 3 months later, you could be repairing another portion of the roof and then another portion of the roof. The cost of these repairs can stack up to the point to where you might as well just replace that roof. So let's talk about the cost of getting your roof repaired. Here at Hoel Roofing and Remodeling, our minimum to do a roof repair is $750. And what we typically see that range to on repairs is about $2,000. So you're usually somewhere within that range. If you feel like a roof repair is the best course of action for your home, feel free to give Hoel Roofing and Remodeling a call at 765-561-4023.